Self-Betty Kumoy, and I'm back again with a new video. So yes, I hope that you've been well. I know that it's been a couple of days since I've dropped a video, but I'm back again with Ezinye Indaba, Shushu. Okay, yeah, while still at that, so I do report news. You can catch them on Facebook. If you only search Upelewa Emihle, there's a football page over there. I think it's at 200 and something followers, like 228 right now, and at 184 likes. So it has the I don't know what to call it, if it's an emblem or badge or whatever, but the one that's on the, like, it's on the picture right here on YouTube or TikTok or Facebook. I don't know where you'll see this video, but if you see this video on TikTok or on YouTube, just know that you can always catch more news that I'll be reporting on Facebook, because I don't really report everything that I write on Facebook. But if you want to catch other things that you may have questions about, just know that you can find my reportings on Facebook. But then let's start with the Cape Town Spurs. Cape Town Spurs is set to host the trials for under 12. They are hosting trials for under 12 on the 21st of October. Those trials are only for under 12s. So if you have a kid that is born between 2012 and 2013, or if you were born between the year 2012 and 2013, just know that you can go to Ikamva Eparu on the 21st of October. Just make sure that you get there before 9, because at 9 they are closing the gates. So you make sure that you can get there as early as you can. Don't forget to bring a birth certificate, your training kit, and also your bottle of water. So all the best when you go to trial, and I wish you all the best. I just hope that you can do enough to impress the coaches over there. So moving on from the Cape Town Spurs, let's appreciate the life of a legend, career of a legend. Janine Van Beek has hanged her boots. So the legendary Banyana former captain has hanged her boots, but she's set to also be given a send-off match, which is set to be played against the DRC when they are playing the qualifiers for the Olympic Games. So yes, it has been a prolific, beautiful, long, stellar career by the Captain Fantastic Janine Van Beek. So yes, Banyana is said to also give her a send-off match, and when she plays these games, she's also set to become the most kept African player of all time. Ima. Let me repeat that for you. Hear me right. The most kept African player of all time. I'm not saying the most kept female African football. Nah, including both categories. So yes, that's an incredible feat, a beautiful record that she's set to make when they're taking on the DRC. So yes, moving on from Janine Van Beek, going straight to NB Masia. Austin Tishabolo reported that Jose Garcia, commonly known as Joga Bonita, Gibelayo, Kukali fans. So yes, Jose Garcia has been given a coaching role at the NB Masia. So he's the new conditioning coach at NB Masia. This comes to light after he only played 3 games for them this season. So maybe they saw that they should just promote him to the technical department, and he's only 33 years of age. So while talking about NB Masia, they've also signed 2 players this season, which is Usebonga Zulu and Tato Makwa. I guess they are also trying to strengthen here and there so that they can have a solid team to contest for going to the DStv Premiership this season. So all the best to the new players, and also all the best to the club. So before we close the video, do not forget that Bafana is set to take on the Ivory Coast this evening at 9 p.m. You can catch it at SABC. So yes, they'll be broadcasting it for you live. Bafana is set to take on the Ivory Coast. From me to you, that's all I can say. But then, last but not least, ubangabuza uthwenetheko okanye ndibano ncede ufikelele kule nombolo okanye kule email ngaphezulu ukwenzela ufumane inkonzo kulena zinga liphezulu. Ziyaguqa, ziyakhothamayiza le ntla de ibele ixesha elilandelayo kamnandi.